See that? That's my Pixel phone being cool and showing the song that's playing in the background right on my lock screen. This is a pretty cool feature, and you can set it up by going to Settings, Sound and Vibration, and then scroll down to the Now Playing section. You'll just turn it on, and your phone will take a few seconds to set it up and get it ready. It'll also download a song database in the background, which it'll use to recognize songs. You can also use this menu here to detect what's playing around you, and the song recognition works really well. Whatever song it finds, you can save those for later, or you can connect this to your music service and jump directly to that song within your music app. And now that I have it set up, I see the song on my lock screen. This works with any music that's playing around you, so it doesn't need to be playing on your phone, and it's great for recognizing songs that you randomly hear around you. It's also so far worked with any song that I try it with, no matter how small or unknown the artist. Anyways, give it a go, let me know how you like it, and subscribe for more cool guide like this. Thanks all!